Hello, my name is Lewis, and today I'm going to be showing you our new timestamped notes feature in Jamworks. To use timestamped notes, you must first start a recording, and then you must type your notes using the Write Notes button in the top right-hand corner of the application. Here, type your notes. Once you have finished typing your notes, end your recording. Once your recording is complete and uploaded, find it in your recordings page. Once you've found your recording, navigate to the Notes tab underneath the recording. Here are your typed notes from your class. On the right-hand toolbar, there is an icon that you can select to timestamp your notes. Once this button has been selected, you will notice that all of your notes now have a timestamp attached to them. Simply select a word in your note and you will notice that the recording jumps to that point. For example, if I select this word here, you can see that it jumps to 20 seconds into my recording. So this allows you to go back over your notes and jump to the points in the class at which you took them, and that is timestamp notes in Jamworks.